Hey guys, it's Kevin, and I did my little workout there. I know that I bored y'all with that, but I got an unboxing here too. Got this little box of goodies from a Black Friday deal, and let's see what's in it. Ooh, it's a camera bundle. So we got another cleaning kit. Big deal on that. Those are a dime a dozen. Ooh, a camera case. But it's not for a DSLR. It's not a DSLR camera case. Wonder what it is. Here, some kind of a strap, I think. Let's see what else I got. Oh, a flash drive. That's nice. Ooh, a little tripod. Getting a little more interesting, isn't it? It's not a DSLR, I know that. Yo, here's a screen protector. These little doodads they send. And two of these 16 gigabyte cards. Like, okay, 16 gigabytes. What the hell am I going to take, like 200 pictures and it's done? Or like 5 minutes of video? 16 gigabytes, nothing. Now, there's one last item in here. Wonder what it is. Oh my goodness. It is Cannon G7X Mark II. All right, baby. Woo! The latest and the greatest camera that Cannon's making for, I guess you would say, point and shoot. It's a point and shoot, but people use it mostly for its vlogging. It is only 1080p, not 4K. 4K is like a big bullshit. I'm sorry, but nobody has any monitors that can really take care of, 4K video. It's a pain in the ass to edit. Oh my God. I mean, a real pain in the ass to edit. And you got to edit it down. And then you got to edit it again at 1080, more or less. Because, like I said, nobody's got 4K monitors. Unless you got about $700 to drop for just a monitor. Not a lot of people have money to do that or want to do that. They'd rather buy a camera. But anyways, I'll have a little review of it in the next month or two. I'll put it through its paces. As some of you know, I'm not a great photographer, but I have learned a little bit of photography over the last couple of years. I've taken up still photography as a little bit of a hobby. But like I said, it won't be anything in depth, by the way. It won't be anything in depth. But anyways, that's my little unboxing. And if I can find my remote, I'll be able to turn my damn camera off. Damn it. See, I got a little Canon remote. I'm doing this on the 80D. Not the ADD. The 80D. I mean, I'm weird, but I don't have no ADD. Well, maybe I do. I never was diagnosed for it. Whatever. All right, guys. Y'all, take it easy. Teasy and peasy. Peace out. Or is that two fingers? I don't know if it's ever... It did teasy, easy, and peasy. I don't know if it's three or whatever. All right. See y'all later.